Take no, no, no. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Now, this is now when you have a full time job and you trade as part time. I I cannot say that I will be super committed. First, I need to check my sound, please. Please check my sound. I just want to know whether I am live and whether my sound is working. Guys, I am looking at a buy setup now. If you can see my screen. So I'm waiting for price to break right at 3 3289 or 3290. Stop loss is below at 32860. So I'm going off the higher time frame, as you can see there. Um, yeah. So let's see. Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get a full break around here. If we can get a full break, then that would be nice. That would be so awesome if we can get a full break. So yeah, now it's just about waiting. It is still early, so it is still early. I normally start trading around 7, but yeah. Okay, I just wanted to come and check my sound and all of that. If that is sorted, my screen is sorted. Right, so we're looking at gold tonight. I saw this on the 1 hour, a beautiful break. Right here, price came back, and now we're seeing a push up to the next high. So yeah, let's see, let's see. This candle is about to close in 1 minute. The momentum is not so high, but I'm targeting first TP is around here at this high, second TP is all the way up here. Right. And then my stop loss is above below here. So gold has been trending. If you look on the higher time frame, we've been trending bearish. The structure was overall bearish for this last week and this week. If I go back and just give you if we zoom out, you can see this bearish downwards trend. But we can start to see on month today, price started to break out here. I actually took a nice buy setup this morning, early morning. This buy here, I catch this buy. So I do think price wants to fill this gap here and continue up. So this my entry is around right here when price break out here, 3290, targeting 3296 and 3,300. That is where I think price is heading towards now. Hence my stop loss is just here below this week here. Okay, it's now 6 o'clock. So let's see. I've noticed a lot of spikes now. I noticed gold has been spiking a lot, as you can see these weeks here. So I have a tight stop loss just below this week here. But this is a strong bullish candle closer. So no news coming out now. All right, now price is starting to break out. Okay, you can start. You see it starting to break now. It's moving. Okay, gold. So this setup has a higher time frame confluence, meaning I looked at the 1 hour for strong confirmation that price will head up. So this buy is in alignment with our higher time frame, and that means we have momentum on the higher time frame. And as you can see, I entered on a smaller time frame, on my lower time frames. So that's a beautiful break there. I like that we get a break there. The fact that it price broke this week here and it broke out of my, I said I wanted to break at least here 3290, so I'm up in profits now. Damn, that was a quick. All right. Now we just have to wait patiently to see what price wants to do. It is still early for the momentum. Normally I get in around 7, but now price is slowly started to move. So as you know that without patience you won't make it in this business. I have to remind myself that every day. Even I still have to train myself to be patient. Thank you. Mm, it's moving. Yeah, while we are waiting for the setup to play out, I know some people is gonna watch my live, and I want to talk about the challenge of trading live and being a trader and trading live. You must remember, I also trade the London session in the morning, and I share my trade ideas with a group of traders as well. So, what I notice in myself is that I'm human, so I'm going to be really honest about my journey and my experience. Even though I'm trading for 3 years now, it's going into 4 years. Next month it's 4 years. It's my fourth year basically. I still struggle with patience at times. I still struggle to wait for the trade to fully play out. Like I notice that in myself because I think I feel the pressure of people watching me. I think I feel the pressure of I need to perform because I'm trading live. I'm actually showing my trades, and the people who trade with me in my group, I share my results. So if I make 300, 200, $500, I show them. If I lose 300, $500, I also show that. So I show my losses and I show um, my wins because like my mindset is not to make millions in a day. I am not about that. I like to um obviously I'm an honest person, but also being in this space, I want people to know that it is okay when you also going through the same, like patience. You struggling, wait for the setup. You planned the trade. You know the trade is going to play out. You've seen this before. Um, but at times it's just like your emotions get like outside voices. It gets loud, and then I do give in sometimes. I must say that I do give in. Sometimes I'm like, just take the profit. It is profit, but then I see my trade play out even further. So yeah, that is one of the struggles that I really face when it comes to trading and psychology and all that. Because no, like we must admit it to ourselves, like if you see your money go up and then your money comes down, like you see red again, it's not a good feeling, or it's not something that you need to train your mind to get used to it. But like even for me being 3 years in the market, I can honestly say it's not something that I've mastered. It's something that I'm still working on mastering, but I'm aware. I'm aware of myself. I'm aware of the thoughts. I'm aware of like, no, you are now impatient. That's why I journal. I journal every Sunday. Then I look back at all the trades I took during the week. So I journal my emotions down, and I review myself to see like, okay, there you've been impatient. There you entered too early because you didn't wanted to wait for your signal. You knew that was not part of your trading plan. That was not part of your criteria. Why did you use that lot size? Also, that's another thing. Sometimes I'm so tempted. I already planned what I'm going to risk, and then sometimes I'm tempted to put in a little bit higher risk. And putting in higher risk, you also need to be emotionally stable to deal with the pullbacks. You know your setup's gonna play out, but when you have high risk and the pullbacks are devious, that is you need a certain level of calmness and patience and to deal with that, because otherwise you're just going to be so scared to lose and then just close the trade and not wait it out. It happened too many times with me as well. I know what safe risk to use, what risk I am comfortable with. The moment I step out of that threshold, I become I become like nervous, and then I know I've risk too high. My risk is too high. If I see I'm in a trade and then I'm starting to panic about this pullback, then I know I actually used to my risk is too high. And it's never okay to risk more than what you can handle. Yeah, it's not just about your account size, it's also about mentally what can you handle. Because not all of us can see like my real money $10,000 going down or 10,000 rand going down. No, no. If we have to be honest with ourselves, I mean, some of our peers are getting paid that for a salary. So you to be comfortable with the bigger numbers is you don't get comfortable overnight. It's a process. I'm telling you, but it's actually I'm speaking to myself. It's like I'm advising myself because um, I'm starting to use higher lot sizes, and that is what I'm currently that is my challenge. I'm currently hold your trades to full TP and be okay with the drawdown. Because yeah, but it's a learning journey. It's you we will get there. All right, let me just see who sent me a message. Okay, let me go back to the chart. So it's 1 minute for this 15-minute candle to close now. No, we check on the 15-minute time frame. It's a strong bullish candle. I might take some profits here at 3295.5 here. When it reaches this high, I might take some profits. And then my TP2 will be here. It's playing out nicely now. Okay. Hi, Marius. Good evening. Oh, you are so welcome. Sorry that I'm not so consistent. I have a full-time job and I trade in the mornings. And sometimes when my day is too hectic, then I really need to have the mental capacity to come onto the live. But I want to be consistent, not just for myself, but also for those who tune in. And I really appreciate for you guys who's tuning in. Um, like my hope is just that you can learn something from these lives. Wow, this is nice. I'm up in good profits here. Let me just check the phone. Okay. Wow. I don't usually get 2 trades in a day. That's a win. This morning I took a nice buy setup as well in the London session once it broke out. And this trade now. Yeah, I might be okay with $500 if it 3295 is around here. So okay. Let's go now, go. Let me just check quickly on the 15 minute. Oof, that's a beautiful strong candle, eh? You guys see all these. So my thinking is it's going to break this high and then it's going to head to this high here at 3,300. That's where my last TP is. So, ooh, this is a beautiful setup. You see now I move my stop loss just to below this candle here so that it won't, just in case it's coming down. So I'm gonna take some partial profits right here, and then that's a 1:2, and then I'll take leave a runner to the to 300. Yeah, 300 in alignment with that high there. So let's go, gold. Let's move. So I didn't see this one. That bullish candle is still good. It might just come down again to the entry here at 3290. Pull back and then continue going up. But the police structure is strong. Let's go, let's go, let's go now. I noticed that gold moves now earlier because normally it's starting to move or break out at 7 or before 7, like normally this time. Friday is a public holiday in the US. I saw the broker also sent me the updated trading hours. So, but that's why I was like, why is NFP on Thursday? Because Friday is July the 4th and it's a public and it's also a bank holiday in the US. So basically I only have Tuesday and Thursday left to trade this week. And I saw Tuesday we have new tomorrow we will have news at 4, but I'll see what how the markets are being affected tomorrow. No, I'm lying. Yeah, July the 1st, tomorrow 3:30 we have red folder news and 4 p.m. ISM. And then Thursday we also have 2:30 the unemployed NFP. All right, let's go now. I'm so tempted to take that 500. It's moving now again. And there's 5 more minutes on this candle before the 15-minute candle close. Yes, let's go. Let me check up on my. Oh, my friend, I don't trade ICT. Price action. But I use demand and supply zones for entries. I say to people sometimes, oh, I believe I'm trading demand and supply, but demand and supply zones are only used for entries. That's my entry strategy. But I trade purely price action market structure. No indicators, and then I look at different time frames because yeah, the power of time frames. Looking at different time frames, you need to look at the right time frames also, especially with gold. Gold is a beast. For the past 2 weeks, I actually wasn't scalping gold. I was day trading gold for the past 2 weeks, getting higher returns, but that is in the London session and very early London. This is this is a tip for someone that's trading smaller time frames. When you look at the 1 hour time frame for your backup for your confirmation, will see you get better signals. You get stronger signals because when you trade with the momentum of the 1 hour or the 4 hour, you trade with that momentum, and you go to your 15 minute or your 5 minute, you start to see your target, your take profit price levels will be hit like more often. It's higher probability for you to for the trade to set up to play out. Especially myself, that is actually a scalper. But for me, scalping means I would wait. I would hold for 150 pips also. I know guys, it's some guys that scalp like only for 10 to 20 pups. Nope, I go for higher. So I don't know if we can say it's scalping. It is scalping because I'm not looking to sit on the trade for 2 to 3 hours. 30 minutes max. And sometimes I make my money in 30 minutes and then I'm out. All depends also on the market conditions. All right, it's starting to move now again. Starting to move now. That's good. Now, this is what I was talking about. I'm so tempted now to take that 500 day, but the setup is not done yet. Like, this is my TP1 here at 3, like I said, 3295, and then TP2 is here at 3300. So I will wait for this setup to play out now. I will wait, I will wait, I will wait. Right, let's go. You good prophets. Let's go now, gold. Stop playing with us now. Like 40 pops up. You see how it's struggling to break that week here. But once it breaks this week, it's going all the way up. Just check it out. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go. Right there, this high. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. There it's breaking. It's breaking that week now. It's pushing strongly now. Beautiful. Very close to 3295. I'm going to take profits there. I'm gonna close some profits when it gets to 3295. There we go. More, more, more. It's pushing up so nicely now. So you see, this is my demand zone right there. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Go now. By now, I train my eye to see it. See, it broke that week, so I am confident in the setup. Dance the night away. Tonight we're gonna get on the floor. I'm gonna take some parcels. Let it go, let it go. Don't know anymore. Yes, I remember you. I remember you, my friend. I'm always there where I got myself a PayPal account. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. No plans yet, my friend. Okay, there's 5 more minutes left on that 15-minute candle. Let's just see. Let me just zoom in a bit. I'm still confident that this about the bullish strength. The bullish strength. If you new on this live, like this live, please. If you are new, so I can see who's new tonight. To my old people, welcome back. I am back. We are all about transparency on this channel here. You won't get that. You won't get any gimmicks here. You can ask me any question, trading related, risk management, technical analysis, strategy wise. It took me like 2.5 years basically to find a good strategy that actually works. And I was also a beginner once in a while. I did so many courses. I did people from South Africa, people from the US, a guy from I think now he's also from the US. But yeah, I've did so many courses, but I took some of information from each course and I developed a strategy. Such a simple strategy, but it's all about how you apply it and the discipline that goes with it. What the trading plan? Yeah, trading plan is my blueprint. And for me, it's like once I have the strategy down, I don't trade anything. I hear about ICT and I hear about what is this other stuff. Fair market value. Fair market. What are you saying? Fair market value. No, it's a fair value gap. Fair value gap. Yeah. You know also about that. But those things doesn't mean anything to me because I've been so focused on one strategy for years now. Wow, guys, I'm up $500. So I'm about to take my profits. I'm about to enjoy my profits. This trade is gonna play out. This trade is going to play out. So let's see. Take some profits then. Let's take some profits. Take some profits. ICT is not the only way out to trade. Yes, it's a good strategy. I don't know. I hear a lot about ICT, but don't feel like if you can't trade ICT or you don't trade ICT, that you are not a trader. As long as you're making money, are you making money? It's all that matters at the end of the day. I have such a simple strategy. I can teach it to my 3-year old cousin. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take profit. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm leaving a runner here still for, let me see here. You see it went to 3295 and it came down. But once it breaks, once price is now going to break here, let's see, let's wait and see. If it breaks here, then we know. Still tonight it wants to go to 3,300. 3,300 right here. Basically, yeah. Here we go. That's actually a great closing. Okay, that 15-minute candle closed now. Just watch how it touched that 3295 and then it started to reject. But let's wait for it to break through. I'm still holding this one position open. Why is my phone freezing? Oh, I see. We have a new subscriber. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. We are trading gold, but like I also trade GU, but only in the London session. I don't trade it at night. GBP USD is my favorite currency pair. What gold? Gold is a safe haven, like they say. Let's go, let's go. It would be so cool if this runner play out. Oh, new subscriber. I appreciate you for subscribing to the channel. Make sure you switch on your notifications on all, not on personalized, on all, so you can get notified when I go live. Thank you, thank you. I saw your crypto night. I saw. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know where you guys are from. Are you all from Cape Town? Are you from South Africa? Where in South Africa? You from Kenya? Wow. I've never been to Kenya. I had a friend at university. She was from Kenya, but she's living in South Africa now. I think she studied law here because we did some models together. Kenya. Wow. Kenya is in the house. Just watch how price is just touching that 3295. It wants to break through. It's like knocking. I'm holding this one open still. No, 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 no. Can you see? What? Why am I still here? Come on, let's go now. Let's go. There we go now. To the moon. Nothing can stop you. All the way up now. It's breaking our first TP. It's breaking above our first TP. Almost there. Now you see the reason why I took some profits here by 2.95. Because as you can see, this is a new high now. So price could come back and just pull back again and then continue up. So rather secure some cash and then you can leave one run like I do now. I'm leaving a runner. So ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. There we go. Wow. Hi, my friend. You joined late. Sure, we are TP1 as hit. We are on our way to TP2 now. Ah, this is so good. I think I'm gonna. Like I said, price is heading to 300. Why we say? What about him?
I don't even know.
Huh? To the moon, like I said. To the moon.
Pew, pew, pew.
Pew, pew, pew. Thank you, Gold, for blessing us here tonight. uh, let's go now, Gold. Ooh, beautiful. Let me see where is it now? 3297. Okay, let me just check on the 15-minute quickly. Nope. You see, price just broke a new high. It's definitely heading to 300. Yeah, let's be patient. My end. So, sorry. By now, I'm moving my stop loss to break even, so my stop loss will be at my entry now. Let me just do that for now. Then I know my runner. Leaving my runner so that it's risk free and you're not gonna lose anything, even if price now decides to come all the way down, which is not gonna happen, because it broke out of a major key area around 3290. But if that even happens, now my stop loss is at my break even. 3290, 26. Yeah. So I put in a stop loss now at my 3290. 3290.26 right here. 3290.26. Bum, 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 bum. 5 more minutes on that candle. Let's just. Okay, okay. If you gotten in with us around here, no, you would have been up with 72 point pups, and that was a 1:2 rusty reward. So we see we can make it for the 1:3 rusty reward. It's already broken our higher, and that week is indication that price wants to go higher. Obviously, price will pull back. We never know when the pullback will happen. So, like I said, I'm now in a risk-free trade because I have my stop loss in. You can be me if you look this way. Saying 7 are watching. Okay, 7. 7 people are watching this live. I want to be consistent, like I said in the beginning of this live. Let's go now. Let's go. We know you want to push up gold. It's almost 7. It's like 1 minute. Smelling so good in here. Whew. If that candle now, this moving candle here, if this one close above, then we might not get the pullback. Look at that. And it might just continue up. But if it now close below this line here, I know it might just come a bit down, pull back around here, and then continue up. We do know that's how market structure works. Price has to make higher highs and higher lows in order to follow structure. Let's go now. So at the highest point it went to was 3297. I think it's heading to 3300 around here. With this blue line. It could go further. Just that's where my price level, target price level is. Beautiful. Whoa, look at it. Look at it. At 7. Did you guys see that now? Yes, literally I'm gonna take shit. What happened there? This price made a gap now. Can you guys see it? Look at this gap here. It literally shot up 3298, almost 3299. Damn. Wow. Sure, thank you guys for liking the video. You can feel free to take your profits. You can feel free to hold. I am taking some profits. I'm taking my profits. I made enough. Like I said, I took a trade this morning as well. For those who are still holding, move your stop loss into a risk-free trade. Move your stop loss into entry for the pullback. I don't know who of you was awake this morning when I took the setup. Um, this one. I actually have a screenshot that I can post. You see this breakout here? I was in the trade this morning as well. In the London, before London, my just from here today, I actually just took it here. As you can see, it was 86 pops. Oh my gosh, my battery is low. I need to switch on my battery is about to die. But yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in. For those who've been consistent and for joining me tonight, I am going to say peace out. Yeah, it's been an hour, it's almost an hour and a half that I've been on this live now. So I told you where my target is, my price level. I might still watch the market, but I'm going to end the live soon. Notice how where my stop loss is, and price never came down. It not even close. There wasn't even a pullback. This morning, same thing happened here. I entered at 3282, and price broke out. As you can see, this was it even went higher. And then it came all the way down. Retest that area again this afternoon. Oh, that was at 11. Then we had news at around here. As you can see, prices like made a similar consolidation here, broke out, made when I saw the candle in the 15 minute, that was my demand zone, and I waited for that rejection here. Don't know if you can see the rejection, and then I entered right here. I had my stop loss here, and then yeah, below these weeks, targeting 3295 was my initial target. Why I think it's going to 300 now is because if you check on other higher time frame, look at this weeks, zoom in. This candle closed above with the body even. So look to your left here. Historically, this was a price where price hit up to 300 and then it shot down. So the chances or the probability for price to go there and retest this level is very strong. That's why that is my TP2. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I will be back tomorrow evening, same time around around 6:30 CAT time. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.